When I search in the PDF, which link is in the video description of all my videos, and put the word AQL, I found, of course, the AQL ones that we just built for working with polls. There's a section on searching in QReader and a couple of references to AQL. Actually, here, custom properties and AQL. This is a match on the URL. And here there's an AQL tutorial that is dated, that AQL translator button that is actually very good. So I recently had a conversation with a QReader developer whose product is QDI. Basically uses a bunch of AQL queries into the data that is inside QReader. And basically the agreement that we reach is that, well, if you think that there is interest on specific AQL topics, obviously more advanced than this one, he will be willing to work with me for a while, explain the topic that there is interest around, and I'll do short videos on it. So this video is a call to the community. If any one of you think that there is something in AQL that we can do better and more complete and more advanced, please reply in this video with your suggestion. And if you want, you can find me on LinkedIn, or you can contact me through here, and then I can put you to LinkedIn, and then we can understand better what are the use cases that you think we need to add to make this video library on AQL more complete. And then I'll have the session with the QReader developer to get that information from him. So if this is of your interest, I look forward to hear from you. Thanks.